Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. You're watching Dynamic TV Headline News, Tuesday, October 27, 2020, with me, Hairana Mutahara Kashyap. I will accompany you for some minutes forward with a hot topic today, that is Jokowi's government claims a decrease in COVID-19 and how the researchers of EOCRU respond. So, don't move your channel, enjoy the coffee while staying at home, and here's the complete news. Jokowi, in a closed meeting on the report of the Committee on Handling COVID-19 and National Economic Recovery from virtually the Merdeka Palace, Jakarta. The data received as of October 25th, the average active cases of COVID-19 in Indonesia is 19.97%. I think it is good, because this is lower than the world average of 22.1%, he said on Monday. According to Jokowi, the number of active COVID-19 cases in Indonesia was 19.97%, which was better than some time ago, where on September 27, the figure still reached 22.46%. Meanwhile, Doni, who is the head of BNPB as well as the chair of Task Force Handling COVID-19, said the active cases of 8 priority provinces also showed a downward trend. He gave an example like East Java and Papua, which had risen but fell again in the last week. Doni said that the recovery rate also increased. We saw that on September 13, the cure rate was 71%. It was below the global rate, but now we're above the global recovery rate of 76.46%. The recovery rate in 8 priority provinces has also increased, except in Papua. However, the death rate in Indonesia is still relatively high and is above the global death rate. This is our common duty. Earlier, Mr. President reminded not to let the patients get badly treated. Thus, we're trying to find some cases that still show some mild symptoms and what effort should be made for the treatment, he said. Regarding the availability of patient care facilities, the ICU occupancy rate in DKI Jakarta has also decreased. After almost 1 month of decline, the occupancy rate decreased by 11.77%. Doni hoped that the ICU beds will not increase or the number of patients admitted to the ICU can decrease. The number of patients being treated at Wisma Atlet has also decreased. Also, several hotels that have cooperated with the provincial government and also with PHRI have available treatment rooms or rooms for treatment, he explained. Referring to this figure, it means that there is a significant downward trend in the country. This achievement must be continuously improved to get an even smaller number. Responding to the government's claim about the reduction of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia, 4 researchers from Ekman Oxford Clinical Research Unit, EOCRU, namely Iqbal Eliazar, Karina Dian Lestari, Lenilia Ekawati, and Rosa Nora Lina, analyzed decline. This analysis is stated in an article that Indonesia doesn't yet have a COVID-19 epidemic curve. They adopted the Jokowi's government's claim about the reduction in the curve of new COVID-19 cases in Indonesia, which has not slowed down until now. These 4 researchers described the standard and the most popular visualization tool for showing the slowdown in the epidemic curve. The shown daily COVID-19 case curve is not the COVID-19 epidemic curve. The number of additional confirmed cases doesn't equal the number of new cases. The daily number of cases reported doesn't explain the daily infection rate in the previous day. In other words, the decline in daily case number of COVID-19 cannot be readily read as a decrease in COVID-19 rate of daily infection cases. The matter is there is an issue in the government's daily case data, namely the length of time between sampling and the examination result reported to the Ministry of Health. Although there has been no response regarding this suspicion, some appeals such as washing hands, wearing masks, social distancing, implementing large-scale social restrictions have always been issued by the government, especially the Ministry of Health of Republic of Indonesia, to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The news all at once closed our meeting today. I'm Khairana Mutahara Kasyaf with all the crew. I'll withdraw from your front. And don't forget, always do prevention of COVID-19 so that you and your family will stay safe. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye, Peace Dynamic TV. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.